Hello friends. Welcome to T Academy. For all the electrical engineering aspirants, there is a very good notification in Karnataka Electricity Department. That is Karnataka Vidyut Prasarana Nigama Niyamita. So in this Karnataka KPTCL, Karnataka Power Transmission Corporation Limited, there is a huge notification for the electrical and electronics engineering students. So this notification came on the 24th Jan 2022 here. So as per this notification here, so you can see here first is a Sahayak engineer, that's a AE. Okay, so AE character posts are there. How many? It's a 393 in regular in NKK region and 106 in KK region. Okay, so total there are 505 vacancies for the AE, and this is for only the BTech people. Okay, so BTech candidates. And civil engineering is also there. In civil department there is a AE post are there. There are very less number 21, and in KK region it's a 7 only. And next you can see here that is a junior engineer. Okay, so junior engineer vacancies are there. So in electrical department there are 477, and in KK region it's 82. Total are 570 vacancies. So in this notification around 1075 posts are belongs to electrical and electronics engineering only. Apart from that, there is a civil engineering student, civil department, that is a junior engineer. So junior engineer posts are there. So they are for 21 and 8, total 29. Okay, and similarly we have junior assistant. So junior assistant posts are there. So the posts are 357 and 3 in the KK region. So total are 360 vacancies. So this notification entirely for 1492 vacancies. Okay, the online application and other details we'll see here. The online application will start from the 7th Feb 2022, and the website is, as you know, that is a KPTCL Karnataka government.in here. So now we can ask a question, sir. These vacancies are for the only Kannada people or Karnataka people only? No, it is a Karnataka. It's not completely Karnataka. So other states. So other states such as a Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or Bihar, some other etc. They can also apply for this post here. So everybody can apply for this post. The only condition is you have to pass the Kannada language test. Okay, you have to pass this Kannada language test. Okay, those who have studied Kannada language, okay, in their school or in their college, so they are exempted from this. But those who are applying from the other states, they need to pass this Kannada language test. So this is a must and should here. Okay, so that is the main thing here. Okay, and you will see the pattern here. So I'm hoping that the same pattern what they are followed in the 2019 notification, they will follow the same notification here. Okay, so in this examination pattern, there will be total 100 questions. Out of them, 75 questions are belongs to their core subjects, and 25 belongs to general aptitude and general science. Okay, right, let's see the details about this examination pattern here. Okay, so this is the exam centers. So below we have mentioned the online aptitude test centers which the candidate can reach to appear for the examinations. Okay, so these are the places here. This is, you can follow it. Now examination pattern here. So KPTCL assistant executive engineer or assistant engineer, the questions are based asked from the two subjects, electrical and electronics engineering and general awareness and aptitude. So as you know, the electrical and electronics engineering, it is for 75 marks and 75 questions are there. And for general awareness and aptitude, 25 questions. Okay, so 25 marks. So total will be 100 marks examination. So same pattern will be for the assistant accountant officer and assistant engineer. Okay, and for junior engineer civil also same pattern. So 75 questions from the technical background and 25 questions from the general aptitude and the general science paper. Okay, now for junior assistant paper, see here, this is different, little bit different here. The question will be asked from three subjects: computer literacy, general awareness and aptitude, and general English and or general Kannada here. Okay, so computer literacy will carry 20 questions, 20 marks, and general awareness will carry 40 questions, 40 marks, and aptitude will general English and Kannada will carry 40 questions and 40 marks here. Okay, Now see here, what will be the syllabus for this examination, sir? Okay, so examination pattern, as you know, that each and every subject will have 75 questions. It will carry 75 marks here. Okay, so here, what is syllabus, sir? So for the AE and AW and AE, so they are following the VTU syllabus of the state here. So you can download and you can follow the syllabus here. VTU syllabus of electrical and electronics engineering, and similarly for the civil engineering, there's a CE. Okay, so here see, you can see here 75 questions, 75 marks. Okay, so total duration is total duration is 2 hours of time. Okay, so 2 hours means 120 minutes here. And for general awareness and aptitude, so 25 questions, 25 marks. So total grant will be 100 questions, 100 marks, 2 hours of time. Okay, now very important point here is each question in the examination carries 1 mark. So 1 by 4th, that is a 0.25 mark will be deducted as the result of the negative marking for each wrong attempt. Okay, unattempted questions will have no marks rewarded, and there will be no negative marking for them. So if you are not attempting the questions, then there is no negative marking. If you are attempting and the answer is a wrong answer, means you will lose your 1 by 4th mark. Okay, okay, see here. And this is the pattern for the junior assistant aptitude test. As you can see here, 20 questions, 20 marks, 40 questions, 40 marks, 40 40 here. Okay, now one more important thing that I want to discuss in this video is a Kannada language test. It's very important. Those who are applying from the other states such as Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or Goa or some other, etc, etc. Okay, so Kannada language test, first thing is, first and foremost, suppose if you are not a Canadian, then you have to pass this test compulsorily. Okay, so first thing is, before writing this technical AE examination, so technical means as we discussed, 75 questions plus 25 questions, there will be 100 marks question paper. Okay, so this is a part 2 for non-Kannada background students. Okay, for them part 1 is a this will be part 2 for non-Kannada students. For Kannada, okay, sorry, let me read again. So this will be one part 2. So part 2 for non-Kannada students. What is a part 1 here? So part 1 is you must pass this Kannada language test. This is for non-Kannada students. Okay, so that means that it belongs to other states. Okay, this Kannada language test will consisting of total 150 questions, 150 marks here, 150 marks. In this one, there are some paragraphs are there. In the paragraphs, you have to read the paragraph in the Kannada language, and you have to answer the paragraph questions, comprehensive questions in Kannada language only. Okay, so candidates are required to score at least 50 marks. So qualify. If you are getting one for 150 marks question paper, if you are getting a 51 marks or 50 marks, means you are qualified for the part 2. That's a technical paper. So once you qualify this Kannada language test, then only you are going to be a part of the part 2. Otherwise you will disqualify at the first part. So 50 marks to pass the Kannada language test, and will be eligible for appear for the other common aptitude tests. Okay, so with these things I will conclude the video here. So if you are from the Kannada background students, then you have to focus on your technical subject. And if you are not a Kannada student, that means if you are from the other states, then you have to first focus on the writing of Kannada, and you have to read the Kannada. Okay, so that is a must and should. Once you qualify this Kannada test, then you can go for the your background, your technical background subject. So my suggestion is, those who are from the Kannada students, focus on the technical paper, and those from the non-Kannada students, focus on the Kannada subject. Okay, so those are on the Kannada subject if you are preparing for this post here. Okay, and in my YouTube channel, I have discussed early the previous year 2017 paper, 2017 KPTCL AE paper. Okay, in the 2019 they conducted the examination. So in 2019 they conducted the AAE examination in Kannada. First they given hall tickets for the non-Kannada students to write a Kannada language test. Okay, after that they are supposed to conduct the aptitude test. That's a part 2. That's a technical paper test. but due to some the administrative reasons they cancelled this recruitment. So 2019 recruitment is completely cancelled. Okay, after that again they are giving the notification 2022 here. Okay, so this is a very big notification for the electrical and electronic aspirants, okay, all over the India. Okay, all the best friends, prepare well, have a nice day.